Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I fixed my friend's old Dremel tool and thought I'd show you how I did it. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, but I'm not sure if it's quite getting up that speed. But I don't know how old it is, and so anyway, I'll show you what it sounds like. That's variable speed. It says 5,000 to 35,000, but I don't think it's getting up to. I don't think that's 5,000. I don't think when I turn it all the way up, it's 35,000. I don't know. It's working better than it was because it wasn't working at all. But what was wrong with it was a stuck brush behind one of these little plastic caps. And I'm going to make a separate video showing you how I fixed it because I got to take some stuff apart. You start out by taking this collar off. So stay tuned.